Are you developing a digital product or running your own company and need professional test management support? Whether you're looking for a reliable test strategy, conduct usability tests, or generate bug reports, I've got you covered. We will make sure that your product meets the highest quality standards. With many years of experience in agile software development, I have a deep understanding of the balance between technology and business needs. This allows me to provide full lifecycle test management services tailored to your specific needs. As you can see from my reviews, I enjoy proactive communication. What makes my services unique is the personal attention and flexibility that I offer. Together, we create custom solutions that adapt to your changing requirements. We will make sure that you receive the best possible testing insights. So, if you're seeking a dedicated and experienced test manager to handle your testing needs from start to finish, please leave me a message and I'll get in touch with you.